Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 1, the little note cards of the With Love and Gratitude Paper Pumpkin Kit for September 2023. So I have all the pieces I need. And the first thing I need to do is I need to take my stem of leaves and I need to stamp on the edges of the card. So I'm just going to pop this underneath like this, just so I don't end up stamping on my surface here. You can use a bigger sheet of paper if you want to. This is just ones I have cut down. So I'm just going to ink this up really well. And then I'm just going to pop it down like this. Okay. And I've still got a little bit of ink left there, so I'm just going to press it down again. There we go. That's better. And then I need to come along the bottom as well. Now you never see how much ink is left. You never ever want to go back and stamp again because you'll only get half the image. So you're going to ink up again, and we're going to come in on the bottom corner like this. And then we are doing the other side as well. So let's ink this back up again, like that. And we are going to come in on this corner like this. And there we go. Okay, put that off to the side. I need to still just put that off to the side. I'm going to stamp my greeting, and I'm just going to ink this up. I'm just going to stamp off just to make sure I've got good coverage, and I do. Okay, and so I'm going to just pop this down, make sure I'm in frame for you here. Just pop this down with love and gratitude. And there we go. Nice. Okay, now we're going to put the lid back on the Stampin' Spot and move it out of the way. All right, so it tells us that we need this gold piece, and we need to put adhesive dots here and here and here. Okay, so we can do that. And we need this piece, the leaves, and we need to put adhesive dots on this as well. So we're going to put one there and one there. If you have a piercing tool, it works really well for these. I don't tend to use tools in the kit videos because you don't need any extra tools, maybe sometimes a pair of scissors, but that's all you need outside of the kit. Everything is supplied for you. They're great portable kind of craft boxes to do while you're traveling, or just to take with you if you've got an appointment and you need to wait somewhere. So we're going to just pick up this gold piece, and it goes right to the top and right to the edge. So there we go, like that. Okay. And then the leaves overlap kind of edge to edge like that. Okay. Now it tells us we take the greeting and we put some adhesive dots on the back of the greeting. So we'll do that. Okay. And I don't pre-build these. I'm following the directions the same way you would be, just right out of the box. And then I need, which way up does this need to be? Just following, it needs to be like this. And when I put it like this, I put one adhesive dot here, and then I put dimensionals on. And I'm going to put a dimensional on here and here. Now this is probably because they're going to overlap and we're dimensionalizing the larger one. And the reason I know I'm using dimensionals is on the drawing, the dimensional is the little hexagon piece here, and the adhesive dot is the solid circle. So that's how I know what I'm using. So I need to put, I'm going to put this down first because this is kind of my benchmark piece, my largest piece. And it goes on like this right here. And then I'm going to put the greeting on. It tucks just underneath a little bit, but I didn't want to put it on until I had that larger pumpkin on, just to make sure that I wasn't covering it up. See, this goes right to the edge and just tucks under a little bit. And I'm going to make sure I'm straight. I'm just a little crooked, so there we go. And then I'm taking this one and overlapping, and that's why this is already dimensionalized, so that's why there's a glue dot on the one side and dimensionals on the other side. So this is going this way on here. Yep. And we're overlapping like that. So there is our first project, and there is the really gorgeous envelope that goes with it. So that's project number 1 in the September Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for project number 2.